What's up, guys? It's Unders here for warriorsoundbeats.com, and I was just finishing up a tutorial showing you guys how to mix your vocals when all you've got is a beat and you don't have the stems to mix the whole track down. And I got a lovely email basically saying, here, we want you to try out Nectar, a vocal plugin. Really poignant that happened right then and there. I haven't even played with it whatsoever, but I've been using Neutron since that first launched, and I've been using Ozone years before that, so I'm kind of used to this new format layout in front of me and the assistant program that they've been introducing to all their plugins. So this now has something called Vocal Assistant. So what I've done is I've dropped it on the main line vocal, which is this.
Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know the half of it.
And we're going to test out that vocal assistant and see if it can automatically fix up that vocal. So it goes to a bus here. I've just disabled the plugins that were going on. Just put Nectar on there, nothing else going on. Let's try this vocal assistant out. So a little look. What we'll do first is try the assist out. Modern. Yeah, I think we'll just go with the defaults there.
Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know the half of it. They never even asked for it. Know that this bastard's mastered it. Plus I got bars to spit. Try test my spars. I guarantee you get your asses kicked. Act hard in it. Seen a lot of strain and stress. I need to say the rest. Living life ain't easy, fam, and I ain't getting paid off skets. Gotta stay strong, keep my head straight like a ruler. Got the rent up in a... Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know the half of it. They never even asked for it. Know that this bastard's mastered it. Plus I got bars to spit. Try test my spars. I guarantee you get your asses kicked. Act hard, get pardon it. Seen a lot of...
Alright, let's see what we've done. I'm just going to disable the reverb because it's putting me off a little bit there.
Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know the half of it. They never even asked for it. Know that this bastard's mastered it. Plus I got bars.
Cool, it's put its own reverb in anyway. Alright, so it's done a lot. Has it put pitch control on?
Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know the half.
No, okay, didn't think it needed pitch control. It's left the gate off as well. EQ, it's dipped out a lot of places to balance it. It's nice that it's not drastically boosted anywhere and it's been more constructive in reducing areas instead.
Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know the half of it. They never even asked for it. Know that this bastard's mastered it. Plus I got bars to spit. Try test my spars. I guarantee.
It's super subtle as well. Okay, that's doing something nice. Have a listen to the DS.
Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know the half of it.
Alright, it's nailed the DS here. It's absolutely found those nasty S's. That's pretty surprising. It's grabbed that so well with like no input. Damn.
Ruler got the rent up in a... Yeah.
Okay, so a second EQ. Okay, so this is where it's been a bit more constructive and giving some boosts. That's interesting because it's flexed up pretty much the exact same area I did in the last tutorial video. If I just grab the EQ, look at that. Odds of that. Interesting. So I haven't given it a really high lift, but it's flexed up that same frequency, which is it's interesting that it's made that decision. Get rid of you. And then compressor, what are we doing?
Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know the half of it. They never even asked.
Wow, so it's smashing the compression. I assume that's gain reduction. So it's reducing by up to 10 dB. That's a bit drastic for me. I think we reduced it by a maximum of 6, and then we only actually had to like compensate by about 4 dB before.
Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know the half of it. They never even asked for it. Know that this bastard's mastered it.
And lastly, let's put some reverb in with a really subtle mix of only like 8%. All right.
Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know the half of it. They never even asked for it. Know that this bastard's mastered it. Plus I got...
Okay, that ain't too bad. Let's just A and B this real quick, see if it's actually improved it.
Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know the half of it. They never even asked for it. Know that this bastard's mastered it. Plus I got bars to spit. Try test my spars. I guarantee you get your asses kicked. Act hard.
Alright, it's clearer. It's maybe a little bit harsh. I'd probably dial this top end here back a bit and this here.
Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know.
Yeah, that's more my style.
Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know the half of it. They never even asked for it. Know that this bastard's mastered it. Plus I got bars to spit. Try test my spars. I guarantee you.
Yeah, that's interesting. It's done a pretty damn good job, to be fair. I'd want to take the like extreme lows out here.
Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know the half of it. They never even asked for it. Know that this bastard's mastered it. Plus,
All right, let's check it out in context, shall we?
yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know the half of it. They never even asked for it. Know that this bastard's mastered it. Plus, I got bars to spit. Try and test my stars. I guarantee you get your asses kicked. That hard, get hard in it. Seen a lot of strain and stress. I need to say the rest. Living life ain't easy, fam, and I ain't getting paid. I'm scared. Gotta stay strong.
Sorry, we're getting some dropouts there. I think it's struggling with the display and everything. Make it smaller.
Yeah, I'm coming hard with it. They don't know the half of it. They never even asked for it. Know that this bastard.
That's doing a good job. It's a little bit thin in places. I'd maybe play around with an exciter as well, but like it's good enough considering it's given me that really quick guide. That's a massive time saver. All in all, good features. I'm impressed with the vocal assistant. And what I'll do, guys, is I'll do another video really going into all the features that are in here, because it's an interesting plugin, and I love the fact that this actually works like hand in hand with some other features of Izotope. They're making this incredible mixing suite now. So we'll do a little video looking at that as well. Thank you very much for your time, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next one.